API deprecation language made clear precision communication. Clear deprecation language is a power tool. It reduces confusion by telling users exactly what's changing and what to do next, which means fewer support tickets and less firefighting. It protects trust when you share clear timelines. Customers plan roadmaps, budgets, and audits around your dates. And it aligns engineers, PMs, and customers with one shared narrative, so no one is surprised. Think of it as change management in miniature. Precise words, predictable stages, and predictable outcomes. When the message is crisp, migrations are smoother, risk drops, and your product looks mature and reliable. Open every announcement with a single, crystal clear sentence. State what is changing and why. We're deprecating legacy auth to improve security and reliability. Name the replacement or workaround so readers see the path forward immediately. Use OAuth 2.0 or the service tokens feature. Signal the timeline in the same breath to reduce anxiety. Legacy auth is deprecated today and removed on July 31, 2026. This one-sentence summary becomes the anchor for emails, docs, tickets, and dashboards. If someone reads nothing else, they should still know the what, why, replacement, and when. Avoid fuzzy terms like soon or later. Define your stages. Announce equals we're giving notice. Deprecate equals supported but discouraged. Plan migration now. Sunset remove equals functionality stops. Calls may fail. Provide exact dates and time zones. Removal on the 31st of July, 2026, 23:59 Coordinated Universal Time. Include version numbers and SDK scope so users can check impact quickly. Effects API v1 and Java SDK is less than or equal to 3.4. v2 and SDK 4.x are unaffected. Precise timelines reduce last-minute escalations and help teams align deployments, QA windows, and change freezes. Label the impact level upfront so teams can triage. This is a breaking change for batch exports. If it's non-breaking, say so explicitly. Note expected migration effort with a realistic estimate. Approximately 2 to 4 hours to update headers and rerun tests. Call out affected endpoints/fields to speed scoping. Impacts post/invoices, field discount _code removed, and git/invoices/id, new field adjustments. When you classify impact, scope, and effort together, engineers can plan sprints, PMs can set expectations, and customers can schedule the right people. Right for each stakeholder. Execs want risk, cost, and compliance impact. No data loss. Downtime risk low. SOC2 unaffected. Estimated migration less than 1 day. Developers need practical detail. Code diffs, request/response examples, sample logs, and edge cases. Support/CS require FAQs, talking points, and SLAs. What errors appear? What if a customer misses the deadline? How do we grant extensions? Tailored microcopies cut back and forth and enable every team to communicate consistently while answering the questions that matter most to them. Use templates to stay consistent. Changelog. On the 1st of May 2026, /reports/export will return 410 gone. Use /reports/jobs instead. Email. Action needed by the 31st of July 2026. Migrate to API v2. After this date, v1 requests fail with 410. Estimated effort, 2 to 4 hours. Migration guide below. Docs. Deprecation policy. Announce 90 days. Deprecate 90 days. Remove on date. All times UTC. Applies to API, SDKs, and CLI. Short, specific sentences reduce ambiguity and help readers copy, paste, and act. Make key info unmissable. Use consistent badges, deprecated, removed, breaking, at the top of affected pages and endpoint refs. Add callouts with a one-sentence summary and the removal date. Provide a migration guide and sandbox for safe testing. Include a test checklist. Update headers. Verify 200/400 1/410 responses. Confirm field mappings. And sample requests and responses that reflect the new behavior. Consistency across docs, SDK readmes, and changelogs reduces confusion and speeds migrations. Always include what, why, when, and how in a one-sentence summary. Write per stakeholder, not one-size-fits-all. Publish exact dates, versions, and time zones. Define announce right-pointing arrow. Deprecate right-pointing arrow remove. Mark breaking versus non-breaking. And estimate migration effort. Provide examples, code snippets, checklists, and clear support channels. Next steps. Draft your one-sentence summary. List affected endpoints and versions. Choose removal dates. And prepare targeted microcopies for execs, developers, and support. Ship the message once you have templates, FAQs, and a tested migration path.